Really?
We're going to take a break and then if you need, then you, and then, so yeah.
Alright.
Good luck, brother.
Yeah, good luck. You got it.
Here's the deal. None of us are perfect every time. You know, you're going to have some that are good and great. And so you've all demonstrated the ability to do each of these exercises somewhere along the way today, okay? All right? So we're not looking for perfection. So you can make mistakes on the skill test, all right? Now, what you don't want to do is compound the mistake. So if for some reason you know your bike is going over the boundary, that front tire is going to go out of bounds, there is nothing you can do to save it. You just know it's there. So then accept that. Just don't compound it by stopping, putting a foot down, walking it out of bounds, because that's where you pick up the extra points. So commit to the error.
Do it.
So one error,
roll with
is a
it.
point,
Roll with
but
the
if you put your foot down, that's another point. And if you walk it, that's another point.
It can be. So every exercise is set up differently. I couldn't tell you between all 5. There's 5 different evals that we set up. Each of you will run through. We set up the next one. Everybody runs through one pass. Set up the third one, etc. Each one is scored differently. The state of Texas, because this is a licensing course as well as a safety course, they have a specific place that. So there may be some places where you make an error that it's not counted. So don't overthink it. Don't crawl in your own head and make it worse. And it's better if I just say, don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Because if I tell you, there's no way you'd remember. We didn't say this. You got to put a foot down here. You can put the. How'd it go? Just know, we're going to set you up. You've already proven to me you can do it. We just need to do it one more time. If you make a mistake, that's fine. Just don't compound it. Fair enough?
Skills test overview. Objective. This test measures your ability to demonstrate basic motorcycle control skills in low speed maneuvers, braking, swerving, and cornering. General information. You will receive an unsuccessful score if you do not follow instructions, if you commit an intentional unsafe act, if you become a hazard to yourself or others, if you fall or drop the bike, if you stall the engine more than 3 times, if you accumulate too many points, or if you decide not to continue. You must complete all 5 evaluations. Skills test evaluation 1, cone weave and normal stop. Instructions: begin with your front tire patch on the start tee, where we are right there. Ride to the right of the first cone, to the left of the second, and so on. We've passed all 5 cones without touching or skipping a cone or putting a foot down. Turn left and ride toward the stop box. Whenever you're ready, you go.
All right.
Evaluation 2. Turn from a stop and U-turn. Instructions: begin with your front tire patch on the start tee, right where we are. Make a right. That's wrong. It'd be
Should be
up there. Yes, right up there. See the tee that's right before the cones? I'll go stand by it in a second. Make a right turn between the boundary lines marked by the line/cones. Do not touch any line/cones or put a foot down. diagonally cross to the opposite side of the area, excuse me, and make a left U-turn inside the area bounded by cones. Got quite a few out there. Do not touch a line/cone or put a foot down. Stop with your front tire patch inside the stop box. All right, know when you're ready. Skill test evaluation 3, quick stop. Okay? Yeah.
Can't turn.
Instructions.
Can't turn.
Begin with your front tire patch between the start cones. Accelerate straight toward the quick stop area. Stabilize your speed between 12 to 18 miles per hour by the time you reach the first line/cones. Maintain a steady speed when your front tire crosses second line cones. Stop in the shortest distance you safely can. You will lose points if you skid. So just try to stop and make it right. Once stopped, do not allow your motorcycle to roll. When signaled, return to the end of the line. Begin on my signal. Skills test evaluation 4. Obstacle swerve. Instructions. Begin with your front tire patch between the start cones. Accelerate straight toward the obstacle swerve area. Stabilize your speed between 12 and 18 miles per hour by the time you reach the first line cones. Maintain a steady speed when your front tire crosses second line of cones. Swerve to the right. Avoid the obstacle line/cone cones and stay inside the sideline. Do not touch a line or cones. When straight, stop smoothly next to a large cone.
I don't know how fast that was, but I think it was fast enough. So even if you go the slowest, it doesn't matter because that guy's a stopwatch, so he times it from when you take off. That guy was too slow.
Skill test evaluation 5. Curve. Instructions. Begin with your front tire patch between the start cones. Ride through the curved path and reach a speed of at least 20 miles per hour in the straightaway. Do not cross a line or touch a cone. Continue through the curved path until you reach the stop area. Stop with your front tire patch between the stop cones.